Hey traders, Mike here. If you follow the financial media closely, then you probably heard of rockstar investor Cathie Wood. Now she's the founder and CEO of ARK Invest, a New York-based investment management firm that focuses on disruptive innovation. Now Cathie has gained a lot of attention in recent years due to her successful investments in high-growth technology companies. So in this video, I'll be taking a closer look at Cathie Wood, her background, her investment philosophy, and some of her most notable investments, and how you can learn to pick stocks like Cathie Wood. So let's get started. After getting her bachelor's degree in finance and economics and earning her MBA, Cathie began her career in finance, working for several large investment management firms, one of which is Jennison Associates, where she worked her way up to managing director in the 18 years that she was there. In 1998, along with Lulu Wang, Cathie co-founded Tupelo Capital Management, a hedge fund based in New York City. However, she left in 2001 to join AllianceBernstein, a global asset management firm, as Chief Investment Officer of Global Thematic Strategies, where she worked for 12 years, managing over $5 billion. Now, in 2014, Cathie left the company to start ARK Invest when her idea for actively managed exchange-traded funds based on disruptive innovation was deemed too risky by AllianceBernstein. Now, ARK currently has 6 actively managed exchange-traded funds, or commonly referred to as ETFs. They are the main fund, which is the Innovation ETF, the Next Generation Internet ETF, Genomic Revolution ETF, Autonomous Tech and Robotics ETF, FinTech Innovation ETF, and lastly, the Space Exploration and Innovation ETF. Cathie started her main flagship fund, ARK Innovation, with modest returns of under 4% in 2015 before exploding for a return of 87% in 2017. Then she produced an amazing return of 152% in 2020. However, recent returns in the past 2-3 years have been dismal, which I'll talk about later in this video. Cathie Wood is known for her forward-thinking investment philosophy, which centers around the fact that in today's world, there is an increasing pace of technological change, and that companies who are developing new technologies or new business models have the potential to disrupt existing industries or create entirely new markets. Now, to put this philosophy into practice, Cathie and her team focuses on a number of key themes and sectors that they believe are likely to drive disruptive innovation in the years to come. One sector Cathie has been long bullish on is electric vehicles, as well as the potential of autonomous vehicles. For example, one of Cathie's most notable investments has been in Tesla. Now, she has been a vocal supporter of the company for years and has been bullish on its prospects since before it was widely recognized as a leader in the EV market. She first invested in Tesla in 2014, and the firm's holdings in the company have grown significantly since then. You can see from this chart that Cathie has done extremely well with this stock, as Tesla was just a $10 stock in 2014 and had risen to over $400 per share in 2021. Now, this investment has been a significant driver of ARK Invest's performance in recent years. In addition, Cathie has invested in a number of companies in this space, including Waymo, which is owned by Alphabet, and Uber. Another sector that Cathie believes will drive significant innovation in finance is the fintech space. A notable investment for Cathie and ARK Invest has been in Square, which has now been renamed Block. The company, which was founded by Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, provides payment processing and financial services to small businesses. Cathie believes that Block is well positioned to disrupt traditional banking and payment processing services, and has made it one of the largest positions in her portfolio. You can see from this chart that the stock has done extremely well, and Cathie first bought this stock in the latter half of 2016 when it was trading around $11 per share. and they would continue to accumulate the stock over the years. Now, the stock price hit a high of almost $290 a share in 2021. Another notable investment for Cathie has been in the genomics space with her ARK Genomic Revolution ETF. Now, her firm has invested heavily in companies such as Exact Sciences, who are a pioneering force in the growing field of oncology testing, which includes cancer prevention and screening. And Cathie believes that this company has the potential to revolutionize healthcare in the years to come. Now, here's a chart of Exact Sciences, where Cathie and her team started building up their positions in the third quarter of 2020, when the stock was trading around $80 per share. Now, you can see that the stock hit a high of $160 in 2021. While Cathie Wood and her team at ARK Invest have made many successful investments in disruptive technology companies, they have also made some investments that have not performed as well as expected. Now, ARK made investments in a number of 3D printing companies, including 3D Systems. However, these companies struggled with profitability and competition, and their stocks fell significantly in value. Now, here's a chart of 3D Systems, whose price hit a high of $56 in 2021 and has fallen sharply down to $8 in 2023. Cathie bought its initial shares in 2016 for around $16 per share and bought more over the years, resulting in a significant 64% loss. Also in 2021, ARK Invest faced significant losses on some of its investment in Chinese stocks, which were hit by regulatory crackdowns in China. For example, Cathie held significant positions in Chinese technology giants like Tencent and Alibaba, which saw their stock prices fall sharply amid concerns over their regulatory changes. Now, here you can see a chart of Alibaba stock, which Cathie first bought in 2016 for around $96 per share and added to it as high as $277. Now, you've seen it fall from as high as over $300 per share in 2021 to currently hovering around $80 per share. However, in the past 2-3 years, her fund has underperformed with losses of 23% in 2021 and over 66% loss in 2022. Even though most funds performed terribly in 2022 due to the start of the bear market, her flagship fund was the worst performer amongst equity funds covered by Morningstar. And in early 2022, her other funds, which included funds focused on financial technology and space exploration, were amongst the worst performers in their categories. Cathie's bold predictions have garnered attention from investors and the media alike. Her investments in Tesla and genomics companies have been particularly successful and have helped cement her reputation as a leading voice in the world of finance and investing. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on finance and trading. I'll see you guys all in the next video.